So how do you build a project in Microsoft Visual Studio? So let's assume that you have an example project like this one I have here, which prints hello world and waits for user input. Now the process of building or compiling is basically compiling the source code files into an executable or a DLL. And all you need to do is right click on your project and then choose build. Or you can hold down Control Shift and then B to perform a build. And from the top bar here, you can select your configuration. So you can choose between debug, release, or any other configs that you might have. And you can choose the platform as well, whether you want to trigger 64 or 86. And if you right click on your project here, you should be able to choose between build, rebuild, and clean. So build only builds the changed files, which is fast. Rebuild clears everything and builds from scratch again, which is slow. You can only use this if you have weird errors. And clean will basically clean all the compiled files. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.